Welcome to another nature video. This one's about space. I bet you'll like it. So I'm going to say the planets in order. Ready? Let's do this. The Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, I think then Mars, asteroid belt, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And Pluto is out counted as a planet, but here's a fact of how much gravity there is. 6. That's how much gravity there is on Pluto. You would completely float when you try to bounce on it. And one to know a fact about, I think it's about Jupiter. I think it's the stormiest planet ever. I think Mars can get you dust storms, and I think Jupiter can too. And nature, bye-bye. I mean, space, bye-bye.